Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 9th of January 2021 and in this video we are going to see the important current affairs from January 2021. Our first question is Durga Shankar Mishra has been recently appointed as the Chief Secretary of which of the following state? Answer is option number 2, Uttar Pradesh. The Chief Secretary is the top executive officer of a state and acts as the principal advisor to the state government on all matters of administration, and recently Durga Shankar Prasad, a 1984 batch IS officer, has been appointed as the next chief secretary of Uttar Pradesh state government. So answer will be option number 2, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh, look at the map. This is Uttar Pradesh. Its capital is Lucknow. Governor is Anandabhen Patel and CM is Yogi Aditya Nath. Next, which of the following country will host the Under 19 Asia Cup 2022? Under 19 Asia Cup. It is an international cricket tournament organized by the ICC and contested by national under 19 teams. It is an biannual event and in 2022 it will be organized from 14th of January. It will be organized from 14th of January to 5th of February 2022 in West Indies. So answer will be option number 4, West Indies. Next, all-rounder Mohammad Hafiz has announced his retirement from all forms of international cricket. He belongs to Dash. Answer is option number 2, Pakistan. Mohammad Hafiz is a former Pakistani skipper and all-rounder, and recently he has announced his retirement from all forms of international cricket. He is the 41-year-old former Pakistani cricketer and he will now be retiring from all forms of international cricket, bringing down curtains on his almost 2-decade-old career. So answer will be option number 2, Pakistan. Next question. Kalpana Chawla Center for Research in Space Science and Technology has been inaugurated in which university? Answer is option number 2, Chandigarh University. Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has recently inaugurated Kalpana Chawla Center for Research in Space Science and Technology at Chandigarh University in January 2021. This research center has been established with the objective of training students in space science, satellite development and to meet future challenges in space research. So answer will be option number 2, Chandigarh University. Next, which of the following organization has recently developed a testing kit called Omisure for detecting the Omicron variant of coronavirus? Answer is option number 4, Tata Medical and Diagnostic. The Indian Council of Medical Research, that is ICMR, has recently approved a testing kit called Omisure for detecting the Omicron variant of coronavirus. This kit has been manufactured by the Tata Medical and Diagnostic, which is a healthcare venture from the Tata Group, and this testing kit will be used for the detection of the Omicron variant. So answer will be option number 4, Tata Medical and Diagnostic. Next question. Who among the following has been recently appointed as the new chairman of Indian Railway Board? Indian Railways Board is the apex body of the Indian Railways, which reports to Parliament through the Ministry of Railways, and recently option number 4, Vijay Kumar Tripathi has been appointed as the new chairman and CEO of the Railway Board or Indian Railway Board. Answer will be option number 4, Vinay Kumar Tripathi. Next question. Which of the following day is celebrated as World Braille Day? Answer is option number 4, option number 3, 4th January. Every year 4th January is celebrated as World Braille Day. It is celebrated to highlight the significance of Braille as the means of communication for blind people and those who are partially sighted. This day has been marked by the United Nations since 2019, and World Braille Day is also celebrated globally to mark the birth anniversary of the Louis Braille, who was a French educator, and he invited the Braille system after being blinded at a very young age. Answer will be option number 3, 4th January. Next, who among the following has been recently launched a WhatsApp-like instant messaging application called ASIGMA? Answer is option number 3, Indian Army. Recently, Indian Army has launched a WhatsApp-like instant messaging application called ASIGMA. Long form of ASIGMA is Army Secure Indigenous Messaging Application, and it is a state-of-the-art new generation web-based application which offers robust security measures to protect the chats. ASIGMA, that is Army Secure Indigenous Messaging Application, is being rolled out as a replacement for the Army Wide Area Network Messaging Application that has been used for the last 15 years. So answer will be option number 3, Indian Army. Next, who among the following has been recently appointed as the new chairman of US India Business Council? US India Business Council, or USIBC. It is a business advocacy organization formed in 1975. Formed in 1975 to enlighten and encourage the private sectors of both India and US to enhance investment flows. Its headquarters is located in Washington DC, and recently Indian origin American diplomat Atul Keshav has been appointed as the new chairman of this US India Business Council, or USIBC. Answer will be option number 1, Atul Keshav. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as the World Day of War Orphans? Answer is option number 3, 6th January. Every year, the World Day of War Orphans is celebrated on January 6 to raise awareness about the children who have been orphaned due to wars. Objective of this day ensures to voice out the predicament of war orphans and highlights the emotional, social and physical challenges children faced while growing up. So answer will be option number 3, 6th January. Next, who among the following has been recently appointed as the first female president of ONGC? What is ONGC? ONGC long form is Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, and recently Alka Mittal has been appointed as the first female president of this ONGC. ONGC long form is Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, and it is an Indian government owned crude oil and natural gas corporation. It is the largest government owned oil and gas exploration and production corporation in the country, and produces around 70% of India's crude oil and around 84% of its natural gas. It was conferred with Maharatna status in November 2010. It was founded in 14th of August 1956. Headquarters is located in New Delhi, and recently Alka Mittal has been appointed as the new chairman and MD of this ONGC. She is also the first female chairman of this ONGC. Answer will be option number 4, Alka Mittal. Next, the Union Ayush Minister Sarbananda Sonowal has recently laid for foundation stone for the Heartfulness International Yoga Academy at Dash. Answer is option number 3, Hyderabad. The Union Minister Sri Sarbananda Sonowal has recently laid foundation stone for the Heartfulness International Yoga Academy at Hyderabad in Telangana, and this academy will set new benchmarks in the yoga training. So answer will be option number 3, Hyderabad. Now today's question is, what is India's rank in recently released Global Food Security Index 2021? Options are 71st, 81st, 91st and 101st. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss this question in the next video.